Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm gonna change all of that because by the end of this video I'm gonna show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys and welcome to this video where I'll show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. So first of all you have to do is just click over Google Play here and you just search about Temu. We have here buy as a millionaire and we have here over than $100 million and we have just to click over install to install the apps. So this is Temu how it looks, and also we have here the website which is temu.com. So you have just to open a web browser and dive into temu.com. This is the homepage. So Temu is a great platform for you, but I love its user-friendly features. You can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. So if you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is leveraging its user-friendly features and participate in affiliate marketing or starting your own store. So simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale and promote them to social media or new network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Temu into a profitable ventures. So if you scroll down here, we have affiliate and influencer earn commission. So we have just to click over it and you'll find this page. So we have your affiliate influencer program. So the first thing that we have here is earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. We have here earned substantial commission with our diverse products and exclusive offers. Try now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So we have here high commissions, exclusive sale prices, and you have choices brand here. So we can just click over get started and get started with Temu. So if we scroll down, we have here also other information, empowering affiliates, tailored benefits for every profile. We have here authorized influencers. As the user authorized to our platform enjoy a range of benefits including up to 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a wall of credits for additional perks, user download bonuses, receive awards for every user download. Then we have websites here. As a registered website, affiliates enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform, high commission rates, benefits from generous commission rates on orders, tailored benefits, adjustable commission that match your performance. And if you scroll down, we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us, and also here we have affiliate extra rewards, and you have day win here, as you can see, per week earn. And if you click over referral extra rewards, you have here $100 coupon bundle. New app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after their initial downloads. Then you have your new app users. Maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. So we have your free gifts. So we have the last information, which is how to start with the Temu affiliate program. We have the first step, which is join a list in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. Then we have share here. Strategically share your link code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last step, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So right now I will show you how you can share your link and convince people to use your link. So the first apps we have is TikTok. So to make money on Temu through TikTok, start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxings, or unique ways to use items. Include your affiliate link in your profile or video captions for easy access. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with TikTok. And right now I will show you how you can do that with Pinterest also. So to earn commission on Temu or Pinterest, you have just to create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products, use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention, and include your affiliate link and pin details. Focus on niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Regularly, then update your boards with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Pinterest, and right now I will give you other option, which is Reddit. So to earn money, draw Reddit, join relevant subreddits where you can share product recommendation, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link. Following subreddit rules, engage with the community by answering questions and providing valuable insights. Then use a genuine tone that build trust and encourage clicks. Post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So this is how it works with Reddit. Right now I will give you other option, which is create content on Instagram and YouTube. So to earn money on Temu, Instagram, and YouTube, you have just to create engaging content that showcase popular products. So first of all, on Instagram, post a catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, all you have to do is create unboxing videos, review, or tutorials, passing your affiliate link in the video descriptions. Use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the product. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So, leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram, and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Gmail by creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links. You can attract a wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. So I hope that video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business tips tutorials. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.